So what people say about us? So when we started the our website, so this is what they said. They've congratulated us and they said the website is very nice and attractive, and also we started with the activation function block for deep learning, and they wished us for sharing our knowledge and experience. That is the core, right? Sharing something out of your own and trying to learn from it. And when you're having a mindset of learning, sharing and continuing the journey, that is where you create a data science community at the core. Even when you leave, it continues, and even if you come back, they embrace you. That is how you should focus on building a data science community. Okay, so they've our friends have mentioned that it has transformed many people's personal careers, and I have seen many people transition into the data science field, from even from one role to another, data analyst to data scientist, software engineers to full stack data scientist, something like that. And the third one is, they have mentioned one of the best things I got to be part of it. See, at the start of this session, we started with something called an idea and how these crazy ideas can transform people's lives. If at all we have that conviction that this will work out, you should go out full-fledged and try it out. Even if people are not supporting you, they will support at some point of time, but you should not leave that vision and conviction. And the fourth one is like, you can build leaders from this kind of data science communities instead of just a consuming group. If you're trying to build a group that both consumes and contributes, you'll become a leader eventually one day. Thank you, friends. So these are all the tips from my side, how you can build a data science community and how I have built. And let me reiterate the framework. Always expect the unexpected. Things will get emotional. Just keep going. Keep it simple. You'll always keep growing over time. So these are all the things from my side. I'll share this link on the chat window. So anytime you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. Currently I'm on a break. I'll be back in maybe in a few weeks. Also, I have a track record of responding to all my LinkedIn messages. So don't be worried. You will get all your answers, all your questions answered. And just remember, small ideas can change your life. This is always your chance to grab them. Thank you, friends.